I want to show you this. Okay, in this question one, look here. First one question. Here Chaturi bought two mobile sets for rupees 4,200 each. If he sold one at gain of 20% and the other at loss of 5%, okay, what percentage would he have gained, okay, or loss in total one? Okay, here how we had done, look here, how we had done. This is 10 number A. Okay, solution and what will be here? What you have written there? CP of, okay, CP of there is
CP of two mobile set
yes,
equals
CP of two
to
mobile. Here you have write
4200 plus 4200.
yes, CP of two mobile. What will be?
4200 plus 4200.
Yes. CP of two mobile will be total. What will be there? Rupees 4,200 into what will be here? 2,
Into or plus. Oh,
and it will be what here now? Rupees 8,000.
400.
Good. It's good. And after that, I told you to do like this on first one, okay? For the first mobile. What is CP? What is CP?
4200.
Good. 4,200, okay, 4,200, you are right. And what is their profit percentage? What is there?
20%.
Yeah, profit percent is 20%. There is, okay. 20% is profit percent. What is missing there? SP, okay. SP equals to what? How to find SP here now?
100 plus P% by 100 into CP.
SP equals to 100 plus
P% by 100 into CP.
good. P% by 100 into CP. If you calculate this, what will you get in there? Put there 100 plus profit percent. What is there? 20% is right. By 100 into CP. What is there? 4,200. If you calculate this, its value will be how much here? Its answer will come.
120 into 42.
That means 120 into 42 means what will be there? 5,000.
100.
Calculate it. Does it come 5,040 or not? Check. And similarly for second, okay, 5,040 comes right. For second, what is there?
Yes.
Second also CP same, right? CP is there, rupees 4,200, okay, into this one. Look here, loss percent there is one now.
Minus
Loss percent how much there is?
5%.
5% is okay, right? You are right. And SP equals to what here also? And which formula you use here? Now
100 minus 8% by 100 into CP.
yes, SP equals to what will be there? 100 minus loss percent. 100 minus loss percent by 100 into CP.
CP.
Okay. If you calculate this, what will you get? 100 minus this 5, that means there is 95. Okay, I'm directly writing here. Okay, you store there is 95 by what will be 100?
100 into CP.
CP, what is there?
Rupees
4,200.
4,200.
Okay, now if you calculate here, what will you get? 3,900. Check there, 3,990. Multiply. You got children there?
Yes, sir. 3,990.
Now after this,
Yes, sir. Answer.
look here, eh? We found this CP 5,040. Another CP is there, 3,990. This is SP, okay, not the CP. This is SP, okay. We found the two SP here, 5,040 and 3,990. These are the two SP. Now, when you add them, what will be the total SP there?
9,030.
This SP and this SP, we have to add and find the total SP. You will get total SP. Okay, children, I'm clearing this and showing you the next page. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Okay, what is now total? What is the total SP there? Add them. Total CP, what was there? Total CP, it was 8,400. And total SP, what will you get? Add them. Total SP, what is there? Add them. 5,040 and 3,900. It will come
9,030.
9,030. Can you find out now? By looking the size, okay, which is bigger there? SP bigger or CP bigger there?
SP.
Yes. Then what will be here?
Profit
Here.
percent.
Yes, profit. If SP is bigger, profit percent. SP is bigger than CP, then we have to write a profit is made. Profit is made there. Okay, children. After that, you can write here. Now, profit percent equals to which formula you will use here? Profit percent equals to SP minus CP by CP into 100%. Right? What is SP there? Let's subtract this 9,030 and 8,400. Let's subtract 9,030 and 8,400. If you subtract, you will get 630. Subtract them 630, and down it will be 8,400 into 100. Then you will get here values 7.5%. Okay, 7.5%. Yes, you are clear about this solution, right, children?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now look here, I am moving to the next one. Second one, look here. For the second one, what is the second one? Look here. Look here. Chabiram sold 2 blankets. One. There are how many SP there? Total SP what will be there? 2 blankets were sold means 2 SPs are there.
2400 plus 2400.
What will be that?
4800.
4800.
Good. 4800, that means 4800, right? Look here, children. And first, there are two cases. This is first case, okay? First case. SP, what is there? 2400. And what is profit or loss there? There is profit. Profit percentage there 10%, right? Or not? Yeah, 10% is. And can you find CP here? CP is what there? Now you can write there CP equals to what will be? If you use this formula, SP into 100 by 100 plus profit percentage. If you use this formula, what is this value here? Excellent. This will be 2400 into 100. If you multiply 100, then there will be 2 more 0 here. Then divide this 100 plus P% means 100 plus 10. If you divide by this, then you will get how much there? Let's divide. You will get there decimal 2181.81. 2181.81. Okay. Similarly, for second case also use here. Second case also use here. Okay. The second case also there is SP how much? 2400. Okay. But there is loss percentage. Then CP equals what is there? SP into 100 by 100 minus loss percentage use there. Okay. Use this formula in second case. Then you will get there 2400 multiplied by 100, then 2 more 0 added here. And if you subtract this 10, then it will be here 90 only. Right? Then if you cancel them, you will get there 2666. 2666.67. Okay, children. Then this is also CP, this is also CP. If you find total CP, what will you get? Look there. If you use their total CP, we have to add this 2666.67 and 2181.81. If you add these two values, when you add these two values, you will get their total CP. Total CP you will get there rupees 4848.48. Here will be point, okay? Okay, Celine. Then look there, total CP and SP, look there. CP is bigger or SP is bigger there? Right there, here. Here, CP is greater than SP. Okay, Nabisa?
Okay, sir.
CP is greater than SP, then what is made there? Loss is made. Yeah, loss is
percent
made.
equals
Loss is made. Then find there. Now you can find out loss percent equals what will be there? Loss percent equals to
CP minus SP by CP into 100%.
good CP minus SP by CP into 100%. If you calculate this one, you'll get
4800, 49
100 will be
minus
here, okay?
4800.
This will be 100%. And if you subtract this, then you will get subtraction. If you get 48.48, okay, subtract them and find 48.48.
48,049.
Yes, 48.48 into 100, okay, and divided by 4,800. Then you will get the answer 1.01%. This will be as a loss percentage. Okay, children. This is the loss percentage. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now look here. I am going to show you.
Sir, wait.
Okay, I am waiting. Waiting 2 minutes. Okay. Please, you can write down.
Yes, sir. Done now.
You have done.
Yes, sir.
This 1.01, you can write 1% only also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
1.01, you can write 1% only also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now look here. I am going to show you the next exercise one. Formula. I had told you to read also. What is the full form of MP? Somebody had asked me. That is marked price. Okay. You can tell it label price also, labeled one. Okay. Okay, Selen, we can tell it label price also or marked price also. Okay. This one.
Okay, sir.
Discount amount means which formula? Discount percent of MP. MP means marked price. Okay. The price which is returned in the cover one. Okay. And that one marked price. And discount means discount amount is found by, okay, using this one, discount percent of MP. And discount percent means discount amount by MP into 100%. And VAT means value added tax. This value added tax will be found from selling price. Remember, isn't it this one? We find discount always from marked price. We always find discount from marked price, and we subtract discount always from marked price. Remember this one. Okay, this one. SP equals what is there? MP minus discount. And look here, VAT is always find from SP. VAT percent of SP always. And VAT is, look here, VAT percent, how it is found? VAT amount by SP into 100%. And SP with VAT means what? This question tells itself the answer. Look here, SP with VAT means SP plus VAT amount. Okay. And look here, student, customer paid SP. Okay, with the VAT amount. We find VAT from selling price, and VAT will be always added with SP. VAT is found from SP and VAT will be, okay, added with SP only. That we have to find VAT also from SP, and VAT will be added with always SP. Don't forget that. Discount is found from MP and discount is subtracted from MP only. And remember, when there is no discount, okay, MP itself will be the selling price. Okay. Okay, Selen. Look here, I want to show you the next question. Here is the question. Okay, question number 1 Okay. Related to this question, look here. The marked price of a pair of shoes is given there 2,540. If a discount of 15% is allowed, find the selling price of the shoe selling. Marked price is given 2,540. Discount percent is given there 15% is. Selling price is asking us. And we know selling price equals to what? Marked price minus discount percent of MP. Okay. Marked price minus discount percent of MP. Marked price is given there 2,540 minus 15% of 2,540. 15 by 100 into this. If you cancel here, look here. When you cancel, 0, 0 cancel. And if you cancel this 10 and 15, 3 5 are, and here will be 2 5 are, and 2 1s are 2. You can call here 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and here is 1 left. 2 7s are now. When you multiply 127 into 3, you will get 381. And if you subtract from 2,540, then you will get the 2,159. 2,159 is the selling price of the shoes. Similarly, you will find out question number 2. Look there. Dictionary given there. Marked price of dictionary is given there 960. 12.5% discount percentage. Okay. Use this formula. Selling price equals to marked price minus discount percent of marked price. And we can do different also. Okay. This one. This is the discount. Okay. This we can find separately. Discount amount equals to what? This is the discount amount. We can find separately. Discount amount equals, we can find out discount percent of MP. We can find out separately, then we can subtract discount amount from MP, then we will get the same answer. Okay, Celine?
Okay, sir.
Can you solve question number 1 like this? Question number 1, there
Yes,
are,
sir.
question number 1, there are, look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 questions are there in question number 1. You can solve them by using this process. Okay, Celine? Maybe sir,
Okay,
can you
sir.
solve? Sarah?
Yes, sir.
Sarah, can you solve?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now look, I am going to show you next one. Here, what is given there? Sarah, can you read? Electrical fan is sold. SP of the electrical fan, what is there?
Sir,
What is given there? SP of the electrical fan, what is given there? SP equals, what is there? $3,640, right? SP is this. What is MP there? MP is 4,000, right? MP is given there 4,000. And can you find out discount? Discount we know. Discount equals, what is the formula? Discount equals to marked price minus selling price. If you subtract MP and SP, you can find out discount. 4,000 minus, what is there? 3,640. Okay, Celine? If you subtract this, what will you get? Subtract 0, 0, okay? And 10 minus 4, 6, and here is 9. 9 minus 6, there is 3. 360. If you know
360.
discount, now you can find out discount percentage. Discount percent equals to what, right? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now discount percent equals to, what was the formula that I had given? Discount percent equals to what you have right here?
Discount percent equals to
Discount by
Discount amount by MP into 100%.
Good, MP into 100%. Use this, okay? You are
Okay,
right.
sir.
Now,
Do
what
we
is
need
this?
to reason?
Okay, it is sufficient time. Okay, no. This will be there 360. 360 divided by what is there? MP, what is the 4,000? 4,000 into 100. Then if you cancel this, what will you get? 0, 0 cancel. 2, 0 cancel. Look here. Another 0 also cancel. 4, 1 is 4, 4, 9 is. What is the discount percentage there?
39%. 9%.
9% is the discount percentage. Can you find question number 2? There is given also mark price, okay, of the football and selling price of the football also given. Then marked price minus selling price, do the discount comes. If you know discount, then you can find out the discount percent of football also. Can you do number 2 also similarly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then look here. I want to teach 3 number I also. Okay. It's can I rub this question number 2? Question number 2, can I rub this? Okay. If not, then look, I am solving here only. Okay, I am 3 number I am solving here. In 3 number, what is given there? Children, look there. 3 number both are same. There is given SP already given. Hey, discount percent given, asking to find MP. Selling price is given there. Selling price is given there. How much given there? Selling price, can you tell? Selling price is given there 2005. Look, 25,920. 25,920. Okay. And discount percent is given there. How much? Discount percent 10%. Okay. Okay, children. 10% is discount percent given. And asking to find the MP is missing there. MP is missing there. We can suppose this MP X. Okay. Let MP be X. Let MP be X. Okay. Then use this formula. Then you can find out easily. Now you can find here SP equals to, okay, MP minus discount percent of MP. Discount percent of MP. Use this formula. In place of MP, write X. If you solve it, then you will get the answer. Okay, children. Put the values.
Okay.
Put the values of SP. MP value put X. Discount percent is 10. There is 10% of X. If you solve, then you will get the value of X. That value of X will be the MP. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
SP equals to MP minus discount percent of MP use. In place of MP, use the X. Okay, SP there is given 25,000.